Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a poll on Twitter/X. So in order to do this, it's quite easy, so let's just immediately get into the video. So in order to do this, all we need to do is open Twitter, or now called X basically, and once you've done that, just click on the bottom right corner of your screen at the plus icon in order to basically start a new post. Now in order to create a poll, it's really easy. Just head over to the bottom of your screen, basically just above your keyboard. You will find a few options, but you also have this poll icon where you can click on, and this will basically just pop up this poll. What you can then simply do is just literally just type in whatever you want, so you can make it a question, for example, hello bro, and then you have answers basically right here. And by clicking on that plus, you will be able to add another option and another option. You will also have a poll length, basically when will the results be shown. You can also do like 1 hour basically. And that's basically all you need to do in order to create a poll. Once you've done that, go to the top right corner of your screen, click on post like this, click on got it. And once you've done that, go to the top left, profile. And basically right now we can see that this is our poll and everyone will be able to vote on that poll, and it will also immediately be able to see the results. And I have set mine to 1 hour basically, so everyone has 1 hour to vote. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.